my bumper and my winch setup. This bumper is made by Goliath Offroad in Mount Dora, Florida. So they're about an hour and a half away. I went and picked it up. This is their rocker bumper, and I got the pre-runner bars. I really love this bumper. It's low profile. You get to keep your ground clearance. Your approach angles are good. Good protection on the front corners. Easy install. Came with all the hardware. While I was putting the bumper in, I actually I got rid of my dirt-bound bumper, and I forgot that when I got that bumper, it came with I got it used. It came with the upgraded steering spacer. It goes in between the frame and the steering box. So I put that in. I'll put a picture here so you can see what it looks like. But I threw that in since I had to take the bolts out anyway to put the bumper on. But this is the winch that's been on my bench. You guys have probably seen before. It's just a 9,000 pound Badland winch. Roller fair lead on there. I might do one of the solid one-piece fair leads, but that's the roller one is the one I had in my garage for now. But shackles are on there. Winch is all wired up. But I might put like a smaller light bar here. 10 or 12 inch light bar. I don't know if I'm going to use these holes or if I'm going to get like a light bar bracket. But got the AC condenser replaced, the AC accumulator replaced. I'm getting ready to go get it charged up here this week. And then once the AC is fixed, then I'm going to move on and we're going to do the tint. We're going to get the windows tinted. But other than that, I love this bumper. It looks great. I'm very happy with it. I was going to originally go with like XRC from Smittybuilt. But this company, they're local. I think it's a dad and two sons that own it. Very cool guys. Chatted with them yesterday. Went and picked up the bumper, painted it, and had it all set up. And just finished it this morning. Finished up all the little stuff, wiring. But I love this bumper. There's a little side view of it. Very happy with it. Can't wait to take it out and actually use it. No heating issues. Some people say that when you have the winch in front of the grill, you run into some heating issues. I haven't had any of that. I've been driving around a little bit today. So the bars are close, but they're not terribly close. I can still take these lenses out and change bulbs. But yeah, I love it. It's great. I would recommend them if you're looking for a cheap bumper. I think this bumper on their website is $300, and then I got the bars. The bars weren't listed on the website. The pre-runner bars, I think the bull bar is $50, and I saw a bumper where they did custom like this, where they had these pre-runner bars. So this bumper, the way it is, cost me right under $400. It was like $380, $390. So, yeah, great bumper. They will ship it. I think shipping is $50 on their website, but we're only an hour and a half away, and we were going to Orlando anyway, so I figured I would just go pick it up. Other than that, I love it. Can't wait to use it. So, stay tuned for the next video.